I'm not the smartest fellow in the world, but I sure can pick smart colleagues. To build a strong team, you must see someone else's strength as a complement to your weakness and not a threat to your position or authority. Find a group of people who challenge and inspire you, spend a lot of time with them, and it will change your life. Lead by example, insist on teamwork and instill motivation. Self-discipline is what gets you to work every day, and hard work builds character. The way a team plays as a whole determines its success. You may have the greatest bunch of individual stars in the world, but if they don't play together, the club won't be worth a dime. None of us, including me, ever do great things. But we can all do small things, with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. Not finance, not strategy, not technology. It is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage, both because it is so powerful and rare. Teams are incredible things. No task is too great, no accomplishment too grand, no dream too far-fetched for a team. It takes teamwork to make the dream work. It is the long history of humankind, and animal kind, too, that those who learned to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed. What separates the good players from a great player is that a great player is willing to give up their own personal achievement for the achievement of the group. Teamwork does not come naturally. Let's face it. We are born with certain inclinations, but sharing isn't one of them. Remember, we all stumble, every one of us. That's why it's a comfort to go hand in hand. Cooperation is the thorough conviction that nobody can get there unless everybody gets there. The secret is to gang up on the problem, rather than each other. Don't aspire to be the best on the team. Aspire to be the best for the team. It is amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. Many of us are more capable than some of us, but none of us is as capable as all of us. Many ideas grow better when transplanted into another mind than the one where they sprang up.